Remove the pre-installed screws from the instrument. Install the bracket plate. Connect the handle cords to the main unit. The two sockets are identical. 7 treatment heads available. Always fill the treatment head with water before use. Example: L7-4.5 mm. Remove the protective cover. Peel off the yellow sticker and fill the probe with purified water using a syringe. Apply the yellow sticker and fit the protective case. The same procedure applies to filling all handles with water. Choose the appropriate probe and fit it to the handle. Place all the handles and treatment heads on the holder. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. The treatment head model will appear on the screen. For example, if L4.5 appears on the left, it indicates that the current treatment head is the L4-4.5 mm model. Interface function introduction. Current displays the number of shots used during the current treatment since the device was turned on. Remain indicates the remaining available shots. Pitch, distance between energy output points, 1 to 2.0 millimeters. Length of operative surface, 5 to 25 millimeters. Energy range, M1, preset at 1.0 J, M2, preset at 1.5 J. Always start the treatment at the lowest energy level. Energy release mode, single. Each press of the handle button emits a single shot. Repeat. Each press of the handle button emits a series of shots. Total used. Total shots used since the device was last started. Shot count information. Shot count details of each treatment heads of current treatment. Tap clear button to zero clearing. Tap it with caution. Energy release mode. Single pitch, 1.2 millimeters length, 25 millimeters energy, 0.7 J. Click standby to start. Energy release mode. Single mode, M1 pitch, 1.5 millimeters length, 25 millimeters. Click standby to start. Click start to finish. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.